Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our dish today is Ewa Agoyin. Ewa Agoyin is from Cotonou, Benin Republic. Ewa Agoyin simply means mashed beans in English. In the southwest part of Nigeria, Ewa is the Yoruba name for beans, and Agoyin is the name of the area in Cotonou where it originated from. You can also find the dish among Nigerians, especially the Lagosians, which is just next neighbor to Cotonou. So let me show you the ingredients for the Ewa Agoyin. I'll be needing 500 grams of black eye beans, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 Maggi, 1 medium size of onions, and water. And poro. We will need 1 poro to cook it. Poro basically in English it's called guinea corn leaf. For those of you that don't know what guinea corn leaf is, you can search for it on Google. You can just type in guinea corn leaf, then it will bring it out for you. And it's also nutritional, and it makes Ewa Agoyin change color to like kind of brownish brownish reddish color. So as for the water, I can't really tell how many liters of water I would need to cook the beans, because you know beans is very hard. So at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how many liters of water I've used to cook the beans. Alright, let's get started. First thing to do now is to wash the beans and add it to the pot, and add some water and some water and onions and the poro. Mind you, we have to wash this poro because it's dry. Alright guys, so this is the washed beans and the onions and the poro. I've washed them and put it on a high heat. You leave it for like 20 minutes. For the water, I have just had 1400 ml water for the first cook. So we're going to cover it and come back to check it before we add our Maggi and the sea salt. So after 20 minutes, this is what the Ewa Agoyin looks like. So you can see that it's changed color. That's the poro makes it change color. So what we need to do now is to add the 1 Maggi cube and the 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, and also add another 600 ml of water for the final cooking. Okay, so we need to check the Ewa Agoyin. After 25 minutes, we need to check if it's soft. As you can see, it's soft. So what I need to do now is to mash it. So after mashing it, this is what the Ewa Agoyin is going to look like. You mash it properly. Yeah. This is so Ewa Agoyin is ready now, ready to serve with Ewa Agoyin stew. Okay, so this is the final look of our Ewa Agoyin with the Ewa Agoyin stew. This is what it's going to look like, and you can also serve it with some agege bread to eat it, so you can have the very nice taste of it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.